Welcome to Chat Corners, where every topic has a voice
and every conversation matters.
Let's talk!
Evening again.
Ay, good evening, Miss J. Yeah. Good evening. So, mga viewers. Unsa man? Unsa itong topic?
Let's talk about when we were younger.
Oh
and
my God.
What kind of
Exciting.
experience,
Experiences
while we
fun.
were growing up.
Yes.
Like our mga laro nung mga bata pa tayo.
Aha. Yes.
Yan. So, ikaw una.
Oh, ako una.
Ikaw una.
So, ako kung kuan ng bata,
Pwede
ako,
naman, oh.
laagan kay ko sa bata pa. Take note, daghan kay ko gnoka before. Kay ngano? Kay ngano? Kuan ko, lagan ko so everywhere ana sa mga farm. Ay, sa farm, sa mga bukid, of course. Na ako, so nagkuan ko sa mga bukiran. So, bukiran nga kuan, so magsaka ko mga bayabas. O kana, ang akong kuan ganahan pod kanang balay-balay. Dula-dula nga magluto og yuta. Magtinda. Unsa imong kwarta? Dahog bayabas. And take note, ang dahon sa bayas gamit pod sa gamiton pod siya
samad-samad.
og dili lamang sa tambal, Miss J.
Samad.
Pwede po na siya kung humani mog apps. Pwede na nimong ihimo ang tissue dye.
Ay.
Wala mo?
Wala ko ka-experience.
Wala sa ka-experience sa dahon sa bayabas.
Matay, mabaw.
Yes, dahon sa bayabas.
Tubig.
Wala din siya ka-experience. Mas okay akong childhood. Mas okay akong childhood, pero kinsay makarelate niya. So, maraming makaka-relate dyan. Oh, by the way, Tagalog pala. Kung sino mga Tagalog viewers, ang newspapers, wow, social.
Newspaper, mga papel-papel.
So, kami ka nang nakasabukiran.
Tubig na lang, tubig.
Oh, tubig. Wow, tubig. Pero, ingon ana na siya.
Tapos, inag-ano niya, gamay
Mo day siyang wala siya kabalo. Kanang imong duwaon. Duwaon kaning mukha kuan. Ima ipahid. Pero kuan sakit siya.
Man mao tong gamot.
Isati kuan siya sakit bitaw. Or dili naa siya usa ka kuan pod nga dahon. Wa ko kabalo unsa tong ay hagunoy. Kabalo ka hagunoy?
Oh, tambal mo na sa mad.
O pwede ka sa tamba. Pwede po na siya. So Maura to, so sa mga nikaon di ay diha, excuse me, pero kung nakasabot ra, sa mga nakasabot ra, di ba?
Sa mga makarelate ra po.
Makarelate.
Maka-experience ato. Pero na ko inibawaan.
Unsa man?
Ay, agay kanang kuan, kanang agungal.
Agungal. Wala
Mas
nakaduwa
okay
ko
pa ang
ana.
agungal kaysa daw sa bayabas.
Unsa iyang dahon kanang
Di agungal sa mais ba?
ay sa mais, yes, agungal,
Oo,
agungal,
kanang-
agungal.
kanang-
Ang amo ang tawag sa amo ana sa Dumaguete is pakaw. Pakaw. So from Cebu,
O, diba?
nahimo na siyang agungal.
Agungal
Sa mais. Pero hait-hait man na siya dai.
Ay, paminaw. Dili man daw hait kay ya kuan malimpyo kay ya di pod mo touch mo
Imong
kuan,
kamot.
Okay. Nagkupot ra man kanya. Ana ra din mo.
Oh my God, katsada sa mga experience.
Napay pakpak sa mais.
Pakpak sa mais, katul-katul man na dai.
Pakpak mamay lang ginang.
Oo, katol na siya.
Siguro lang lubot.
Oo. Speaking of lubot, kiloy dahil itong lubot sa una, no? Go. Ang saman to, mo, ang childhood, katsada, ay, pero kung,
among kuan nakasuway kog siyatong.
oh my God,
Chinese
ganahan ko, Chinese garter.
Ya tubig-tubig,
Ay.
buwan-buwan.
Yes, parihata gidula, mga,
Nya dama, nya kanang lastiko, maglitik.
maglitik ang lastiko, og napat.
Nya bagol.
Oo.
Putong balata.
Tumbalata. Oh my, sadya kayo sa una, kay dakan ka ita.
Ang bagol kay katong bagol sinilas man to, lok doon nimo ana-ana.
Naman na. Ulap ay
Oo,
look doon
nindot
ni.
ka ng
Ang amo
bagol.
katong soccer nga gamit ang chinilas, nga
Chinilas,
imong patiran.
oo.
Oh, mao na siya.
Kuan na siya. Lahi po to siya, kanang tumbalata to siya. Pero katong bagol, sinilas niya magsikal, magtakingking ka, ana niya. Ibutang na mo siya kung sinilas sa niya. Napon,
Una-
bali-bali pa ka, alam mo, imong kauton, imong kanang, ang sinilas.
Ang chinilas. Kautan yung chinilas.
Nimo.
Wow, murag mga kuan.
Level na siya. Alam mo,
Ay,
kaagibli mo.
murag kabantay ka dili katong naay lines. Katong naay lines nga murag piko na siya sa tawag namo nga naay lines nga imong isudsud imong chinilas, imong i-move ang chinilas pero mag-ana siya.
Ura kay mo na
Oh,
siya.
mo na, bagol ba?
Ura, bagol.
Mao di ay na. Bagol des ila sa amo is piko. Tigtan awa puro may mga Bisaya pero ya lahi mig ko.
Ang ilang kuan kay lantaw sa mo kay
Oh.
lambos bintana mang tan-aw.
Magtan-aw.
Ay asa na manambo ganin sa tawag ganin manglantaw. Ang lantaw din ang iyong lantaw kay tan-aw.
Tan-aw.
Mana mo ay ana kung tungo sa ako kamiga nga mo siya lantaw ra guday tan-aw man sa mua.
Tan-awa.
Nya sa inyo kay lantawa.
Lantawa.
Ang lantaw sa mua kanang nang lantaw ka layo na siya. Ang lantaw kas kabukiran nampo kasi mabintana.
Oh, sumo day siya no.
Gilantaw nimo ang kuan imong mga silingan
Oo.
imong bintana imong gigamit imong bintana. Gilantaw nimo sila.
Oh, mao na inyo.
Ang inyo ya kanang insan mo ana ka na nakasugat nimo.
Oh, tan-awa siya.
Tan-awa ra guna siya. Ang inyo kay mo ana lantaw siya kung sa lantaw. Ibong kung lantaw ana niyo
Oo, ana lantawon ang amua ko sa inyo is kanang tan-awa. So Cebu Gumageti. So ang ay
Tagalog
sa Tagalog tignan mo. Tingnan nyo.
Tingnan mo. Check it out or
Oh, check it out.
Ganon.
Oh, parang
Sus,
ganon.
Tan-awa sa mua sa Bisaya. And then
Oh,
lantaw inyo
sa lantaw,
Gumageti.
oo. So,
Mga we are both Bisaya.
mga buot Bisaya pero different island. So, na siya ilalay nga dahil unsa.
Naadyo ko sad experience.
Oh,
Ano,
sige
duwa
maminaw
nga-
ta anak.
Duwa nga tago-tago.
Ay, tago-tago. Oh, kana chad sadya po na
Oo.
siyang
Kaya
taguan.
nagtaguan bitaw mi kay pwede akong edad ato ha mga 13, 14.
Oo.
Nagtaguan mi kay ngit naman.
Mm.
Niya sus tago-tago na mi.
Mm.
Hupo na ko dito sa kuan pag hupo na ko na may alambre.
Oh my God.
May
So,
matusok kong mata diri ra na
kana ay mao na mao di ay na scar.
Sangit.
Oo.
I have a scar here. It's because of
Nagka-scar.
that game. Nataguan.
It's
What
like
is taguan in
hide and
English?
seek.
Hide and seek.
Hide and
Yeah, I
seek.
was hiding below the gumamila flower
Yes.
and there is a barbed wire.
Oh my God, yeah.
So when I hop and
The barbed wire.
turn of the barbed wire
Like
scratch
cut your
my
face.
That's it.
Oh.
That's a sad then when
When
I
you
going home and then, like the blood is like
pour
running
it down. So, is it like your mom, your parents really shocked after that or
They were freaking out. And
freaking
I was
out?
Like, yeah, I was like, oh my
Did they
God.
bring you to the hospital or
No.
just like bayabas, using the bayabas?
Yes.
Yeah, right?
Bayabas, I usap-usap the bayabas.
Yeah, you know what?
The
We
unlot sa
chew
bayabas.
the guava leaves.
Yeah,
And
the
then-
young one, the new.
Yeah,
Ano
it's
yung
the
talbos ng bayabas.
yeah, just
So,
the leaves you just
I know
sprout.
yung Tagalog also, they know what it is. What
Yung Tagalog is
benefits
yung
of
par
the guava leaves.
yeah, ang bayabas ba is ang Tagalog guava is what is Tagalog of guava? Bayabas din?
So,
Ah,
I also remember bayabas is very important to all Filipino because when during the summer,
Mhm.
all the 7 years old up,
up. Yeah.
growing up in the summer, they're going for the Operation Tole.
And then they
Yeah.
use bayabas as well.
Circumcision. And then they do the manual. It's not a
Mhm.
doctor, but it's expert of doing the tule.
Yeah.
So everybody line up, all the boys line up and wearing the t-shirt of their daddy, their
Mhm.
papa,
Yeah.
their tatay, para hindi yung makita yung ano nila, yung tintin nila.
Yes,
Yung malaki
the
talaga,
private
oh, the
part,
private part.
yeah. So
They
it's
will-
circumcised
They
in
will sit
English.
down. They will sit down in front of the albularyo. It's not albularyo, but
It's-
expert in the
it's
manunuli.
Yes.
So and then they were gonna the guy that do the tuli, they will give the bayabas to them.
Yes.
Okay, chudis bayabas
O
leaf.
bigyan sila ng
Yeah. Then
ng
they chew
dahon
that.
ng bayabas.
If they're strong enough, they're not scared. They chew it and then they're gonna hit the skin of the tintin.
I actually don't know how that process, how they do it. It's just
So-
like they just Oh my God.
So this is your tintin.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is your tintin. So, you know the head of the tintin, the helmet, and then it'll because if you are pisot, it's covered with skin.
Yeah, so you have to
Covered. So
cut the skin.
The skin you have to cut. Only the skin you have to cut because so it will open because if it's covered all the time, so the bacteria will get in it there and stick there forever, and you cannot really wash it when you go shower because it's closed.
So that's the purpose of why we
Yeah.
like men need
Yeah.
circumcision.
So, kasalanan sa mga pisot,
Sa mga pisot.
mga supot,
Uy, sa mga supot.
Tagalog,
Mm.
ano, wala man siguro, mayroon ba tayong mga, kasi sa mga Pilipino, tinutukso yung mga supot, mga pisot, kaya marami talagang nagpapatuli.
Yeah, but in
Oo.
other
And
your other
here,
races,
in this country, my God, lots of them.
lots of them
Pisot.
is or pisot.
And then
Yeah.
you will ask me, how do you know?
Yes, how did you know? Oh my God. How did you know? That's interesting topic.
For me, I actually my first husband, ex-husband. I only married one.
He is
so,
Canadian?
So he's Canadian.
Oh.
I only married one, so
He-
I cannot say my first husband because I only married one. So
Oh, so
my
your ex-husband.
is pisot. So
Mm.
yeah, and then but it's normal for them. It's normal for them that there's so many pisot in European,
Yeah.
and American, and
Yeah.
Canadian because it's not really important to them. But ours in the Philippines, it's because of the Bible, because we're a Christian country. It's in the Bible that
Oh, that's in the Bible.
Si Christ tinutuli yata
Mm.
parang ganun parang natuli.
Oh, I see. Ay, wala rin siya.
So that's why we are most of us Filipino guys are tuli. It's
Mhm.
not support.
Hindi support siya.
Yeah.
Oh, teka, hold on. Hi.
Hi.
Are you guys?
No,
Oh.
we're not renting. I just wanted to show him he's living in the building.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah, we're just hanging out here.
No, we're just
Yes,
recording.
we have a YouTube channel.
Recording, yeah.
Is it live?
No, it's not.
We're just recording. We're
So
just-
we will just edit.
Okay, sorry to
Part.
interrupt.
No, that's okay. Perfectly fine.
That's fine.
Okay, yes. Yeah. So, going back to our topic
Yeah.
na ana di ay siya. So, na purpose. Kasi sa ato ang good bully, so na bully nga mahitabo akong pisot ka. So, marag most of the guys or men in the Philippines na kuan gud siya tuli.
So for me, I have a church experience. Of course, I'm very open for my life. Like I'm
Mm.
open book. I can share. I'm not afraid to share my story, and there's more to share from me. Like I've been into many relationships.
Yeah, this real.
Yeah,
This
it's
is
to be
chat
real.
chat
Yeah,
corner
real,
is
yeah.
about
And,
real
okay,
talk. So, open
so
up.
ex-husband is pisot. Then and then the father of my youngest,
Mhm.
he's tuli actually. So and I asked him, oh,
What's
you
the
are-
difference?
You are tuli, like you are circumcised, and good. I said, good for you that you are circumcised. I said, yeah, my mom
So, it was just when they were young.
yeah, when they were young. So, and then his brother is not. So only in that moment, and then he was born 1959 actually. So he's too late.
Oh,
So it's really up to you. So his mom was convinced when he was born to do the circumcision for him, which is good, right? And then, and then speaking of Tuli, I can also share about my kids. Yeah, I have 3 boys. I have 3 boys.
Yes.
So one is 30 now, and one is 21, and one is turning 17 next month. And this is funny story, real story. The first one, the first son, I waited for, because I thought it's a tradition in the Philippines that you waited until you're 7 the
7
boy
years
is
old, yeah.
but nowadays it's up to you when you were
When-
giving birth in the hospital,
yes.
you can circumcise.
So, even though
That's
the
probably
kids-
better, good
yeah.
idea. So for the kids not to experience the trauma, because my eldest was traumatized when he was 7 years old, because I took him to the hospital, but there's no tuli, there's manunuli there in that time. But actually, no, I was advised to bring him there because she will gonna be there to tuli my eldest.
Uh-huh.
She is a midwife, my friend.
Yeah.
But in the time when I took my son, my eldest to the hospital, she's not there. So
Oh.
when I call her and then she's in the house and said, "Oh, you just bring your son here in my place and I will do it."
Oh,
I said,
so,
okay. Dinala ko yung aking panganay doon, he was 7 years old. Oh my God! So yun na, ginawa na. They do it. And he didn't even, the anesthesia,
the anesthesia,
hindi
yeah.
pa nag-work.
Oh, that,
Lupit na yung ginupit na yung skin ng anak ko.
Oh
Dun
my
sa,
God, traumatic nga.
talagang na-trauma siya talaga doon. Talagang sigaw siya ng sigaw. Tapos, alam mo, nang siya, nang here na in Canada, when he was 25 years old, when I took my, was it 25? Oh, okay, how old? Because I took my second one here too, for circumcision. He told me, Mom, you are so mean. Why do you do that to us? Do you know how painful it is when you do the circumcision? He pulled the skin from my, from my tintin, whatever. And like, oh, I didn't know that. Like, I thought there's anesthetic. No, it's not even worth.
Oh, it doesn't
not-
work.
yeah,
That's the worst
It's not
experience.
It's not, what do you call that? It's not in the system. It's not working yet because he just put the anesthetic. And after a minute, and she do it right away. She could have waited for
Waited
a
maybe a
while.
few
Yeah.
minutes before like that's
Yeah.
anesthesia
But
mag.
my third one, my youngest, because his dad is circumcised when he was
You-
really a baby, so we did it also
Oh,
when
when
he was a baby. Like,
so-
we waited for a week, I think, a week or 2 weeks, and we bring him back to the to do the circumcision. So he's good. Jaden is good.
So yeah, I think it's better to all the parents there. Mas okay kung ang circumcised is at a young age. Yung
Yes,
parang
like
pag
when they were
a week born,
yeah,
a week
2
old,
weeks,
a week
yeah.
old or 2
Yeah.
weeks old.
But
Y-
I think I heard in the Philippines, and
They are also
do-
doing that
they
there.
do in the Philippines
Even right away?
after I think, I'm not sure though. Another thing, the second one of my children. So yeah, it's the tradition. So I waited. He was born here in 2004 in Canada. I should have bring him to the circumcision right away too. Because I was in my mind that
No,
I had to
because
wait
yeah,
until
because
he's 7
our
years old.
culture and what we
Yeah.
used to do in the Philippines is we have to wait it for like when they turn 7 years old.
And the funny thing, because when he turned 7 years old, when I about to ask and book for his circumcision,
Yeah,
we have to pay. It's not covered in the.
like in our
Healthcare.
healthcare.
You have to
Oh,
pay
so that's a
like
private,
300.
what is that? A
You have to
private
pay
procedure.
around 300
So that's
something
not.
Canadian
That's
dollar.
too much. When was that? That was
And
maybe a year.
When he
Mid
was
2000
that was
something?
2014, 15.
Oh, 2015. Yes, 300
No,
for.
because 2015 I moved in my townhouse. I bought a townhouse when I was still renting townhouse in Dunlos, and yeah, I think it's 2013 something.
Oh,
like that.
2013. Yeah.
2013 or 2012. Yeah, and as a single mom, of course I have to save up for $300.
Yeah, and then so after the circumstances, are the experience about the kamatison? Did you know
here,
that's the
not
kamatison? Not here.
in the Philippines.
I'm not sure why is that because maybe
because it infected.
infected.
Yeah,
Oh,
they
it's
probably, I didn't wash it or didn't
wash
maybe
it
they
or
they
meat.
didn't use the guava leaves.
Oh,
So when it infected, pag na-infection na yung ng ari, dapat nga after magtuli, kailangan hugasan palagi ng
so
ng
yung
boiled na
boiled
banana
na
leaves.
banana
Yung
leaves.
juice doon,
Mm.
yun ang iwas para hindi ma-infection.
I
Kasi
see.
kung wala, lalo na pag wala kang pangbili ng antibiotic.
Yes, right.
Yeah,
So especially
hindi
sa
ma-afford.
atong mga
Bayabas yan.
yeah.
So kaya hindi nagawa yun, kaya yun,
na-infect yun. Kaya
Oo.
itinatawag nilang
Oh,
kamatison.
lumaki yung ari ng yung sa head
Oo.
part. Parang nagmukha siyang kamatis.
Mm.
Namula, tapos lumaki.
So, yeah, interesting atong topic, no? Kaya niabot.
Yeah.
It's because sa bayabas ra na siya.
Bayabas
So,
ra
mao
na
na siya.
siya.
Oh, mao tayo na siya.
So ngayon, I will continue the Jason, my second son.
Mhm.
This is really funny
Yeah.
because I save up, and then once I save up, and then I call the Stollery Hospital, and then I book for his circumcision, and the guy, no, okay, because so they book, so we have appointment. When I called, I have to wait for I think 2 months. 2
Oh.
months. So I almost forget that it's our appointment na for him to go there.
Chat Corner. Real talk with real people. Bye for now.